Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. You asked me many times to make this special tutorial and to show you how to apply the Waterdrop nails. And I made the amazing tutorial where I'm showing you how to do it. You have two ways of doing clear French manicure or Waterdrop nails. The first way is to apply the building coat on the nail plate, and the other way when we shape the nail plate with a file and prepare the nail before applying the free edge. I'm using the base coat of the brand TNL. This is good enough to apply on gel nails. I'm placing the nail form, and you can use the base coat from the bottle or from the jar, from the container, no matter what kind of pack do you use. We're just applying the free edge with this base gel. We have high temperature in our room now, and this gel seems a little bit liquid, but if it's cold in the room, it's thicker than you can see on the video. So if the product you are using is too liquid, it's better to apply not only one coat. For example, at first we are applying on the free edge the thin layer, cure it in the LED lamp, and after we build the next layer, and you can build not only 2 layers, 3 or more layers, and this so much layers, they help you to achieve the ideal shape, so you will not have to shape them too much, and it takes the same time. We just after need to cure the base gel to the limit, but please choose this sculptural base gel or the clear gel. I think the best way for you to use the clear gel for this for applying extensions on these nails, because the rubber based product is not so hard, it's flexible, and your free edges can be quickly ruined. So I have tasted different types of kinds of gel, and I noticed the better result was of the clear gel. The clear gel is harder than other products, and it's also thicker than other products. You can use this gel not only for sculpting nails, but also for applying the inlay of natural nails, and it looks beautiful. And the trend is I think the trend is coming back again, and it's also in trend to have a natural looking nails under the clear gel, and I think the clear gel is the most this is the best seller, and it will be always popular because it's easier to work with a clear gel, and it can be cured fast. Now I'm working with a control bit. You can use it for removing the floated gel, especially if you work with the hard products and it's not easy to file or to shape in this area using the nail file, simple nail file. And the control bit is always sharp, and it's very easy to work not only with one client, so you don't have to change it. It's long lasting and can be sterilized many times. Okay, and well, I'm removing the dust from the nail plate, and we just need to work with cuticles. Those nail masters who believe that you can remove all the cuticles using only one ball jewel bit, they are wrong. But maybe for some clients who have very dry skin, but I suggest you guys to work only with those areas where we have dry skin and where we don't work with the soft skin and with the wet skin, because you can easily hurt the soft skin. I'm using the ball gel bit and with combination with the nippers. I think this is the best way, because we can always apply the fine manicure using these nippers. These nippers now it's about $12 on shapeofnail.com, and it's very adorable price for such highest quality products, which will be working for you for a very long time. And they also can be sharpened many times, because the steel is good and it takes the sharpness for a long time. Okay guys, it's time to apply the top coat and placing the rhinestones. What kind of top coat do I use? I prefer extra gloss top coat, excellent top coat, and so you can. I like tasting different types of them. Some of them so shiny, some of them have UV filter, and nails always look extra white. For example, when we apply the white French manicure, you can use the top coat with the UV filter, and nails will never turn yellow because of UV light. Okay, and as you can see, my favorite handmade brush helps me to apply the good coat for these nails. You can use the front side of your brush to apply the rhinestones. You know, we are Russians, like inventing something new, and don't spend too much money on some tools. So the quality of our work doesn't depend on the so expensive tools we are using. The quality of our work depends on our professionalism and experience. Okay, and we are placing some rhinestones of the list sizes. Now on the shapeofnail.com sales, you can buy rhinestones only for $1, which is good quality, and they will be shining very beautiful. Okay guys, it's time to remove the tacky layer, and it's time for revealing shots. I think these nails will be looking good and will be adorable by the client and her friends. The coconut oil helps us to refresh the skin and kill the bacteria. By the way, coconut oil, even sometimes lauric acid, kills coronavirus. I heard from the scientists. I hope so. And I hope you will enjoy this nail design and you will do something like that. You can send me photos of your work, and I will be publishing on my videos. So what do you think about this nail design? Do you like Waterdrop nails? If it's so, don't forget to click like button, write a comment and subscribe to my channel. I will be publishing beautiful works every day. You can order all tools and products on shapeofnail.com with free shipping all over the world if the order above $50. So, see you in the next videos guys. Bye!